Hello, today I prepare a small demo about budgeting functionality in OneSea Drive. So first of all, you should make it available. You go to Settings, Company. Here you should find the other group of settings and tick off Use Budgeting. After that, in the Company menu, in the Planning group, you will see the budgets. So let's open it. Here you can see the list of budgets. So you can create the new one, or you can open an existing. For example, this budget number 1 refers to the Best Computers company and it's created for the February 2019 planning period. So you can create and choose any planning periods you need. So the frequency would be months, year, quarter, or whatever you need. It's also necessary to say that all amounts in budget you input in presentation currency. For example, for Best Computers, presentation currency is euro. That means that as an opening balance, we have 1.5 million euro on our bank account, and so on. Also, you input the information about cost, direct and indirect, income and expense, cash balance, inflow and outflow, and other operation. As you can see, the budgeting process looks like you input the information about financial transactions. So you operate the GL accounts and you input the amounts. Let's post the document and have a look on Flow Report. As you can see, the budget creates some accumulation register records and also accounting records, accounting journal entries as well. Everywhere you can see that as a planning period we have February 2019. For example, if we open any actual document, it would be landed cost. Let's generate the flow reports. We can see that as a planning period we have the actual meaning. So that's the difference between planning data and actual data. In OneSea Drive we also have some reports to analyze the information. You should go to Analysis and let's open Trial Balance. Let's go to the Settings and here as a planning period we specify February 2019. Let's generate report and we can see the planning trial balance for February 2019. We have opening balance, turnover for period and closing balance. If we choose the actual meaning for the planning period for the same accounting period, we can see the actual information for the same period. Also, we have another reports. You can find it here, Analysis, Reports, and more reports. You should find the budgeting group here. And as you can see, we can generate some budgeting reports, or we can see the variance report between the actual and planning balance, cash flow, cost of sales, income and expenses. That was the main idea about budgeting subsystem and how does it works in OneSea Drive.